because we are craving jajangmyeon. More like I am craving jajangmyeon.
Wow.
तोड़ दिया इसने.
Wow, great video.
You like?
You're lying, right?
Favorite so far? But I'm extremely tired. I don't think I vlogged anything because we went to Kori's. The music was so loud, but it's okay. We will just do a day recap. First, we went to the dentist, and I kind of knew my situation, but I just got more clarity. Dentist suggested that the milk teeth needs to be removed, but अगर मैं नहीं भी करवाऊंगी तो anyway वो कुछ time में खुद ही गिर जाएगा because it's very loose and we will eventually have to do a dental implant. I went to this other dentist before and I did not know about dental implants. I did not know about bridges, but he was being very pushy about getting bridges, and in my head it was not making sense because I only had problem with one of my tooth and it was not making sense कि why would I have to cut other two healthy teeth. तो मुझे वो समझ नहीं आ रहा था and he was not like replying also very nicely. I had a lot of questions and he was not answering any of my questions, so that is why we went to this other dentist today and I got a lot of clarity. I'm pretty sure that eventually I'll have to get dental implant. And I also got to know, okay, so basically like 2 days back one of my tooth just chipped, very teeny tiny amount, but I could feel it on my tongue and I kept touching my tongue to that tooth and I could tell that it was chipped. So I told the doctor ki this happened, and he said because I grit my teeth a lot and because maybe I stored tension, or I don't know, he was saying something about overthinking, like some stuff. I know that I grit my teeth a lot while I'm sleeping. It is very unconscious. There is no space for my ऊपर के दांत और नीचे के दांत to coexist, तो they clash, and that is why eventually उनका quality खराब होता है. And he said that we can use a mouth guard to maybe protect my teeth. I will get it tomorrow. Will let you know how comfortable or uncomfortable that is. I was having this conversation with one of my friends and she said it's very common to not go to a dentist in middle class homes, and which is very valid because I'm 22 and this was the first time I went to a dentist. Number one, it was very scary, like the first time that I went to this particular doctor. It was not at all scary. Second of all, it's very expensive. Then we went to Corey's, and I love Corey's. I was craving black bean noodles for the longest time, and I had that, and I'm happy. The other thing that I love about Corey's is their kiosk. बहुत सारी जगहों पे they have photo kiosk, but अब इतनी जगहों पे खुल गए हैं कि the quality of the photos are just very trashy. This particular Corey's, उनका kiosk, I don't know if it is new, I don't know if it is the ink, but I love their pictures. Look at them, so cute. I love this. Anyway, now I'm back home and I have a lot of adult decisions that I have to take. I'm just going to ignore them for today. I really need to bed rot. I need to watch my brain rot show. Love Roadies enthusiast through and through. And I want to have McDonald's, sleep. Tomorrow we will think about the adult decisions. Okay, bye.
Double cross.
बना के रखना कितना डिफिकल्ट है. So get ready and meet me at the task location.
Let's try it on. It feels very plasticky and weird, but it's very uncomfortable. Okay, can I talk normally? I can talk normally. Yes, my name is Arushi. I can speak normally. It is not showing, but on the surface it feels very weird.
5 minutes later.
I cannot remove it. मेरे दांतों को claustrophobia हो रहा है.
5 minutes later.
Weird. Good morning. I just woke up and we are going to make a matcha. Why am I so excited to make a matcha? There is nothing extraordinary about it. It's because I got this new matcha from Urban Platter, which was for 475 rupees. It says that it is ceremonial grade, which is questionable. I have tried 2 other brands of matcha, which I loved, but I cannot afford them. I use this matcha. I use the Heapwell one, and for the price, this one is pretty cool. I love it. No complaints so far. This costed me around 800 rupees for 30 gram ka 10. I thought the Urban Platter one was cheap, and if this cheap wala matcha turns out to be good, then it's going to change the game for me. But then this is for 475 rupees. This is 20 grams ka packet, and this one is for 800, but it is 30 grams, so it's pretty much the same price point. So financially तो मुझे इतना फायदा नहीं हुआ. If this one tastes better than the Heapwell ones, then maybe I will switch because there's not much price point ka difference. But other than that, there are like, let's just try it. This is how it looks like. I use the same amount of matcha for Heapwell, and it is इससे थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा vibrant. That is that. Let's just taste test. It doesn't taste bitter at all. मुझे इसका प्राइस देख के लग रहा था कि it will taste like one of those matchas जो culinary grade होती है, जिसका कलर बहुत ब्राउनिश आता है. But that's not the case. मुझे वैसे बिना स्वीटनर के ट्राई करना चाहिए था पहले, but I think even without that, it is not bitter. It's good, but I would still choose my trusty Dusty. you want to try matcha, then I think you can get this. Tea matcha is usually 30 grams के pack या 10 में ही आती है, and this is for 20 grams and for 475 rupees. I think that's a good deal. I'm currently going out with a friend. She's supposed to get a haircut and I'm just there for the vibes and moral support. I was supposed to wash my hair today, but then I could not because I got really lazy. So I made bubble braids after a very long time. I feel like myself again. I just want to talk about this one product. The lip stain that I'm wearing right now, it's by Mrocha Beauty. I saw her applying that on her lips and मुझे लगा कि ठीक है, the stain will be on for a long time because it was transfer proof and everything. Plus it was not expensive, so I got it. I do not like the packaging and it feels very dry on your lips. Apparently it's packed with a lot of hydrating ingredients, but I don't think so that's true. Plus it was staining when I got the product. Wait, let me show it. Can you see? I don't recommend. It feels very weird on my lips and it feels like I'm wearing a sketch pen. It definitely is transfer proof but I don't think it's worth it. It's my personal opinion, but it just, I think, probably did not suit me. Only she knows how to play. Sure. You will see her. How was it?
It was nice. I mean, we played it for the first time, so थोड़ी दिक्कत हुई, but eventually मजा आया.
How was it?
Fun, but us desk job people don't have the stamina for it.
Is he lost?
That's us.
It's okay.